Now everybody knows what that gear shifter's out of. That's right, Volvo R, S60R with the 6-speed manual. Man, this thing is, my battery is almost dead. And it's kind of hard to film and drive a straight shift. But I wanted, this is a good running, and this thing will sell so cheap. It does have an SRS light on, but it only has 114,000 miles. The seats, look at the patina on these seats, but they're, you know, they're not torn. Well, it's torn right there, but that could be stitched up. But it's solid as a rock, just patina. This leather could be cleaned. Yeah, it just needs a good cleaning. It does have some aftermarket wheels on it, which I'm not crazy about, and some aftermarket exhaust. Exterior is decent. It does look like, I was checking it out, oh, it's got some clear coat failure on the hood, but it's got good new tires all the way around, cold air. It's missing one of the wipers, and the bumper's a little boogered up, but for how cheap this thing's gonna sell for, I'm talking like, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing doesn't sell for $1,000 or $1,500, somewhere like that. Let's see if the, oh yeah, R, baby. Runs so good. Doesn't run hot either. It's just a straight car. I wish I could go through the gears with you, but I'm just not that coordinated. I mean, I'll give it a shot. There's first. Clutch is good. Ooh. Okay, that guy, he's going over 40. Oh, I know what I did. I had it in third gear. Oh my God, this is a pull from third. Ooh, man. Now this thing's got some juice. I was pulling from third. It actually did it. It did it quite well. Okay, second gear. Hear the turbo. Woo, boy, she's quick. What a fun car. 114,000 miles. It's a 2004. I like this. This would be a fun car just to have for the weekends. Yes, air works, good and cold. The suspension's tight. It doesn't ride rough. I think someone has deleted that active chassis settings because I couldn't get any of the settings to work. I'm sure it's been deleted and got some aftermarket springs and shocks or whatever these things come with on it. Let's get second back. But yeah, man, this thing is healthy. Noticed it wasn't leaking anything either. What a cool old car. 04 S60R. If it was a wagon, man, I would spend the night here to make sure I got this thing. But it'll be going through first thing in the morning. We'll see what happens. Y'all have a good one. Peace.